Freya. Oh. Hmm. Oh. So the doctor took Freya to the back of the house and checked her anal glands, and I'm here with Sully, and that screaming was with Freya that you just heard. I guess it's very painful. Sully? Sully? Did you hear that?
You need to get it removed. It's going to happen again. It's going to get bigger like before and you don't have access again.
Yeah,
So I think you
need to do a
yeah.
surgical removal. Okay. Freya, are you nervous? Frey? Oh. Let's go, Frey. Wait. Sorry. I'm just taking a video of Freya coming in. Oh my god, Freya. Oh, look at your collar. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Oh.
Oh, it's quite sore, so just don't touch it.
Uh-huh.
And then just resting.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Freya. Oh. Freya. So I gave Freya rice with water, and that tablet there is a vitamin C tablet. And look at Freya. Freya seems very tired and weak. Right? Sully. Sully definitely want to lick Freya's wound, but I sort of just tell him off and he's alright. And Sully's eating Freya's rice. Normally Freya will be very angry, but now she's just tired and weak. Aww. Oh, Freya. Oh, no. Okay. A good girl, good girl, good girl. Cooked. And I am just adding some milk powder onto it. Some milk powder. Just to get Freya some more protein. And then we have the very strong pain relief. Freya. Okay. 3 tablets. And I'll get her some carrots. Eat. Let's have a look, Freya. Let's have a look. Can I have a look? Oh. Oh. It's bloody. And she was screaming when she pooped this morning. Freya is much better now, because yesterday she wouldn't even have her tail up. Oh. Want to have a look at Freya's butt. Whoops. Oh my god. So I'm taking Freya to the checkup today. She knows where my car is. Oh, good girl. 10 days after the procedure, Freya can play with Sully, no problems. Sully, leave Freya alone. Freya! Freya! Ah, good girl. Freya! Freya, good girl, good girl.